Hey, I've created a song using an AI tool, but
what?
I'm not getting much reach for my AI-created songs. Can you help me get more exposure?
Sure. Why not? Well, if you can turn your AI songs into music videos, they'll go viral and reach more people.
But I don't know much about video editing to convert my AI songs into music videos.
Don't worry, dear. You can easily convert your AI songs into viral music videos in just a few seconds using an amazing AI tool. To create a viral music video, first we'll craft an astounding AI song. Let's head over to 𝒎𝒐𝒏'𝒕. Then click on Sign Up and complete the sign up process. After a successful sign up, click on Create. Then input the prompt to generate a remarkable music piece. I want to make a rap song titled My New Dream Car. So I provided the prompt a hip-hop rap about my new dream car. Since we don't want only music, we won't select instrumental. Then click on the Create button. Now we wait for a few seconds and you'll see our new rap song is ready. Let's play the first one.
Rolling in my new whip, feeling like a star. My dream car, sleek and black just like a Jaguar. With rims that shine like diamonds, I'm the talk of the town. Cruising down the street, windows down.
Isn't it cool? Let's play the second one.
Rolling in my new whip, feeling like a star. My dream car, sleek and black, just like a Jaguar. With rims that shine like diamonds.
Now that our rap song is ready, let's transform this song into a viral music video using an incredible AI tool called Noisee AI. Before we dive into using this tool, let's get an overview of it. Noisee AI is an innovative AI-powered tool designed to transform music into visually stunning videos. It utilizes advanced algorithms to synchronize visual effects with the beats and rhythm of the music, creating captivating and dynamic videos. This AI tool supports various music sources, including Suno, YouTube, Udio, SoundCloud, and direct MP3 uploads. One of the key benefits of this tool is that it's free to use without any subscription fees. However, it has some limitations, such as being limited to 3 video generations every 3 hours, which may be restrictive for heavy users, and there's no official website as of now, only available on Discord. To learn more about this tool, please visit zapiwala.com or check the link provided in the description. Now, let's proceed and turn our song into a viral music video. Go to Noisee AI. Once you're there, simply click on Try Noisee. Then click on Accept Invite. Then you'll reach this page where you'll find multiple channels. Just click on the Generate MV channel. Now, type /imagine and hit Enter. Here it asks for the URL, so here we need to provide our song's URL. You can paste the URL from 𝒎𝒐𝒏'𝒕, udio.com, YouTube, or SoundCloud. Since we generated our song using 𝒎𝒐𝒏'𝒕, let's go to 𝒎𝒐𝒏'𝒕 and click on the third icon to copy the song URL. Now let's go to the Discord server, paste the URL here, and hit Enter. You'll see this pop up. In the first field, enter the prompt for the video generation. I'm entering a car music video. Leave the next field empty for now. We'll use this later. Next, enter the aspect ratio. For this video, let's use 16:9. Now click on the Submit button. You'll see our generation is awaiting, so wait for a few seconds. And here is our first AI-generated music video. Let's play this.
All glowing with lights, it's a real good time. Pushing the pedal to the metal, feeling the speed. My dream car, it's a beast, fulfilling my need. Drive through the city with the system on blast. People turn their heads, watch.
Now there's one more feature, which is style transfer. To use this feature, first we need to upload an image. Type /URL, then upload the image for style transfer. Then hit Enter. You'll see our image has been uploaded. Now right-click on this URL and then click on Copy Link. Now the URL of the image has been copied. Just paste it somewhere to secure it. Now again, let's go to the Noisee Discord server and type /imagine and hit Enter. Now paste the song URL here, then provide the prompt for the music video. Then in the second field, paste the URL of the image we copied earlier. Again, enter the output aspect ratio and click on the submit button. We need to wait for a few minutes, but let's fast forward this, and here is our final output AI music video. Let's play this.
Rolling in my new whip, feeling like a star. My dream car, sleek and black, just like a Jaguar.
You can see the style transfer in the music video. So, if you create such AI music videos instead of just creating AI songs, you will get more views, and your AI music video will go viral. If you've watched this video to this point, then please do not forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more AI videos.